Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. On this channel, we talk about anything simple, healthy lifestyle and many more. My name is Josie. I'm a pharmacist. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please take your time and go ahead and click on the subscribe button. You can also like, comment, and share. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 4 ways that you can start a healthy lifestyle. Most people think that healthy lifestyle is very expensive and it costs you a lot of money. But to me, I don't think so. When you get sick right now, you're still going to spend a lot of money anyway. So incorporate a healthy lifestyle into your diet and you will change your life. Maybe you are wondering to start a healthy lifestyle. This video is for you. Even if you don't want to start a healthy lifestyle, it can serve as a reminder for you to start today. My number 1 tip is to nourish your body. I have a saying that I've been saying to myself when I started this journey. The great medicine that you can swallow every day is to take care of yourself. Taking care of yourself, it means that you have to know what you are putting in your body. Any food that you eat, the question you have to ask yourself is it going to nourish my body or is it going to damage the body? If it's going to damage the body, you'll be scared to put in your mouth. So try and see what is going into your body. How is it going to affect your body? It is really, really simple to change your mind that you're going to eat a real whole and unprocessed food as much as possible. It's not going to be easy, but changing your mindset helps a lot. Try to cook from the scratch. It helps you know what you are putting in the food and what is going to go into your body. I know it's a time consuming, as most of you think, but what has helped me a lot is to meal prep ahead of time. I plan ahead what I'm going to eat for at least 5 to 7 days, and I do my meal prep. I also meal prep for my family. I know what they are going to eat, and it really, really helped me. It saved me a lot of money as well. Eating out is not all the time. It's once a while. You don't know what they are putting in the food when you buy the food outside. So try as much as possible to cook food from the scratch. Also, I have made up my mind to get at least 1 green smoothie every day. It helps me get a little vegetable or fruits in my diet every day. It's not really, really hard to start eating healthy. When you start to eat healthy, you can start slowly and simple. You can choose 1 meal to eat as healthy as you can. It's not really expensive as you think. The problem is to start something in your diet, which is very, very healthy. Lastly, if you want to nourish your body, try and introduce some colorful fruits and vegetables into your diet. Recently, I started trying better squash into my diet. So instead of eating too much rice and potatoes, I started eating that. It's so easy to prepare. You bake them and it tastes so good. You just have to add a little spicy to it and it tastes really good. So that's one way you can nourish your body. Introduce some kind of colorful fruits or vegetables and it really, really helps your body. My second tip is to drink water. When you wake up in the morning, try and drink some warm water and drink water throughout the whole day. Let me tell you some of the benefit of water. Water helps you to get a healthy bowel movement. Constipation is not good for us. If you want to know more about constipation, go ahead and watch my video on constipation. I will leave the link up there and also in my description below. Water also helps us to distribute the nutrients in our food throughout our whole body. Water also helps us in our digestive system. It helps our skin health. It also gives us energy. Let me tell you something. Dehydration can kill. If you are dehydrated, it means your kidney is not going to function very well and you can die through that. So drink water. The little things that I do to make sure I can drink water is that I have my water bottle and I have it to be a transparent one. So when I wake up in the morning, I fill it with water. I always keep it by my side when I'm in the house, when I'm going to work. It reminds me that I have to drink water. So try and do that every day so that you can drink your water. Drinking water helps you a lot. It really, really helps our body to even function very well. So drink water. Warm water early in the morning is one of the best things you can do for your body. My third tip is to move your body. When you move your body, it makes the blood circulate very well throughout your whole body. Moving your body also helps you with your heart, your brain. It also helps you lose weight when you do it consistently. If you've been sitting too much, stand up and move your body. If you've been standing a lot, also move your body. Moving your body can be as easy as walking. I have talked a lot about walking in most of my videos. When you move your body, one thing it does is that it makes you relax after you move your body. It doesn't make you stress. So move your body. You can set a moving time on your phone. If you can do it 10 minutes every day, 30 minutes once a week, just start slow and consistent. So move your body. Walking is an exercise as well. So move your body. One last tip is to start a healthy lifestyle. Is to sleep. When it comes to sleep, we overlook it when it comes to our overall healthy lifestyle. But sleeping is very important because it helps your cell and your tissue to regenerate for the following day. Sleep also helps our brain. So make sure you have enough sleep. In general, you have to sleep 7 to 8 hours. For me, I can't sleep 7 to 8 hours. I normally do 6 hours. But I make sure the 6 hours that I sleep very well. Make sure you don't want anything to distract you when it's time to sleep. Set your alarm and wake up when you have your enough sleep. Sleeping is very good for our body when it comes to overall health. So as you start this journey of healthy lifestyle, make sleep as part of it. It's very good for our body as well. I believe that living a healthy lifestyle is the best option than taking medicine every day. Please leave in the comment below one of these tips that you're going to try. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. God bless you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.